Myself, Ashwin Kaur from Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Myself Varshnur Kaur and I am from Electronics and Communication Engineering.
This is Adarsh and I am from Electronics and Computer.
Myself Nimrat Kaur from Electronics and Communication Engineering.
My name is Samriddhi Mahajan and I am pursuing Electronics and Computer Engineering.
My name is Manak Singla. I am from Electronics and Computers.
I, Ashwin Kaur, going to give brief introduction on our project, namely DropScan. In a world where space is premium and digitizing documents is a tedious task, our project steps in with a game-changing solution. We have developed an automated scanning system featuring a robotic arm. Imagine this: no more manual flipping of pages. Our prototype scans thick stacks of paper effortlessly. The robotic arm, armed with motors, turn pages, signaling a camera to capture digital images. It's a fully automated process, marking completion with a stamped final page, converting the text which are in a hard copy to watermark PDF.
The project is based on a wooden base on which a steel stand is mounted, whose purpose is to support camera module, Raspberry Pi, and DVD player. The first component is a 12-volt adapter, which is used to convert the standard 230-volt AC supply to the 12-volt DC supply. The next component is a DC to DC buck converter that is used to step down the voltage to 5 volts. The red wire is to the positive of the input and the black wire is to the negative input. Similarly, we have the brown-black wires that are to the positive and negative input respectively.
Now let me highlight the connections of Raspberry Pi. The green wire is connected to the GPIO21, the general purpose input-output pin, which is used to control the device time. The blue wire is connected to GPIO20, which opens the device write. The purple wire is connected to GPIO16 pin, which is used to assess the roller. Similarly, grey wire is connected to GPIO20 pin, which is used to control the flipper. The camera is connected to CSR camera control.
Hi, now let me explain the components of L293 motor that operates in 5 volts. So the yellow and the blue wires are for the positive input and the black wires are for the negative input. The blue wire is for the output 1, which is the device driver open, and the green wires are for the output 2, which is the device driver close. The other blue and green wires are for the output in the DVD driver. Now let's discuss the component details of L29AD motor driver. So the brown wire is for the 5 volts input, the black wire is connected to the ground. And in the figure, the blue wire is for the 5 volt 12 volt jumper on the input. And the purple wire is for the roller input. The white wires are the 2 output wires for flipper motor and swapping them reverses the direction of the motor movement. The other black and brown wires are for the roller motor and swapping them leads to the reversal of motor movement direction.
Now let's talk about the input that we feed to the model. The first input we take from user is the number of pages to scan, which is whole number. So the next input is the PDF quarter, that is the whole number between 20 to 100, 100 being the highest quality and 20 being the lowest. The last input we take from the user is the mail ID from which the PDF is to be sent.
Starting with the software function, firstly we included various libraries such as email for sending output to the user, PyPDF for generating the PDF, PyTestRect for implementing OCR, PIL for image processing, RPI.GPIO for general purpose input-output of Raspberry Pi, PyCamera for integrating camera module. Firstly, we set pins for tire, flip, open, close to give output. Set PDF quality function sets the quality of the PDF. Read directory function reads all the images of the directory. Color enhance, brightness, contrast and sharpness enhance functions will set the quality of the image. Save override function override the original image with enhanced image after applying any of the image enhancement procedure. Creating PDF function generates the result PDF without watermark with quality function. Get OCR results function converting the images to text and save the result to OCR underscore results.txt file. PDF protection function adds watermark to the PDF. Mail to function mails the resultant OCR PDF and watermark PDF to the user ID. Click Photos function clicks the photos of the specific number of pages defined by the user and evoking forward, backward, flip and roll function. Forward function move the DVD driver on which camera module is attached. Backward function moves the DVD driver backward. Roll function roll the wheel and hence generating cavity between the subsequent pages for flipper mechanism to work and flip the page. Flip function places the plastic arm in between the cavity generated, hence flipping the pages. Last but not the least, first main function will be called while executing the code and perform all the tasks from scanning pages to emailing the PDF to the user.
Now let's see this whole in action. The code asks the user for the number of pages to be scanned for demonstration purpose. Let me enter the number of pages. The left page photo is clicked and saved. Now, DVD player on which camera module is attached will come forward and click the right second page photo. It will be saved. And now, DVD player returns back and the page turning mechanism works. Roller lifts the right page, generating a cavity between pages and the flipper. Plastic arms work and flip the page. And then third and fourth page scanned in the same mechanism. Coming back to the terminal, we can see 4 photos are clicked in which quality enhancement is also done. And now, code is waiting for the user input for the PDF quality to move forward. Now we can see the PDF has been created and watermark has been added. Code further requires the email ID. User received the email from the RobScan with the resultant PDF and the watermarked PDF. The final PDF can be viewed and downloaded for the further purpose.